Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you fine. Okay, so all you learned that compound angles, no? So in this video we are going to discuss about that new concept, multiple and submultiple angles. So children, at the starting I told you that in trigonometry we have that four parts I said. What is that? The first one is trigonometric ratios, the second one is compound angles, next one is multiples and submultiples, and the next one is transformations. So here compound angles completed. So after that we are going to discuss about that. First trigonometric ratios already completed in that 8th class. So in this class already we completed that compound angles. So after that the third concept. What is that third concept? Multiples and submultiple angles of trigonometry. Okay, so this topic we will discuss in this video. Okay, so what about that multiple and submultiple angles? Okay, if A is an angle, then 2A, 3A, 4A and so on are called multiple angles of A. Okay, multiple angles of A, and A by 2, A by 3, A by 4 and so on are called submultiple angles of A. Okay. So this is the definition for that multiple and submultiple angles. So what about that multiple and submultiple angles? See here. If A is an angle, then 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. For example, here A is one of the angle, any angle whatever it may be. If this angle is multiplied with 2, okay, already A is there means this is 1 into A, no? Okay, so here to that A, if you multiply that 2, then you will get that 2A. Okay. If you multiply with 3, then you will get it as 3A. If you multiply with 4, then you will get it as 4A and so on. So this will comes under multiplication, no? So that's why here 2A, 3A, 4A, these all are that and so on. These all are that multiple angles of A. Okay. So A is one of the angle is there. So just like that, for example, 2 is there, 2 multiply with 2, then we will get it as 4. 2 multiply with 3, we will get it as 6. 2 multiplied with 4, we will get it as 8 and so on. Okay, then we will call that 4, 6, 8 and so on. These all are that multiples of 2. Yes or no? And in the same way, here 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. These all are that multiples of A. Okay, now here, and the are called multiple angles of A, and here A by 2, A by 3, A by 4 and so on are called submultiple angles of A. Okay, so if you multiply this one with A, then we will get it as multiples. If you divide A with 2, if you divide that A with 3, if you divide that A with 4 and so on. So these all angles are called submultiple angles of A. Okay, so this is the definition of multiples and submultiples. Am I clear? Yes. So submultiples means here 4 by 2. Again we will get it as 2. Okay, next here take that angle as 6. So 6 by 2 is equal to, we will get it as 3. So here we will call that one as 4, 6, 8 like that. A by 2, A by 3, A by 4, A by 5 and so on. These all are called that submultiple angles of A. Okay children, am I clear? Yes. Now see here. The first formula, here also we have that some formulas just like that compound angles only. In compound angles we discussed that 8 main formulas. Depends on that 8 formulas we derived that some other formulas also, right? So here also some formulas there related to multiple and submultiple angles. So first we will discuss about that multiple angles. So depends on that multiple we will discuss about that submultiple. Okay, clear? See here. So for example, the first one is, if A belongs to R, A belongs to R, A is any real number, then sin 2A is equals to, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A. The first one is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. What is that first formula here? If a belongs to R, then sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. That is the first formula. Okay, let us see the derivation part here. How we will get that? See here proof. So in that proof, I am taking that sin 2a. Okay, so sin 2a, how we can write this one? Sin 2a, we can write it as 2a means a plus a. Shall we write like this? Okay, 2a. Just I written this one as a plus a, which is equals to 2a. Now just observe this one, children. This is in the form of sin of a plus b. That is in the form of sin of a plus b. So sin of a plus b formula, what we know that? Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus cos a sin b. What we learnt in that compound angles, that formula here we have to apply. Okay. So sin a plus a. So sin a, and here cos b. At the place of b also we are having here a only, no? So that's why right here sin a cos a plus cos a and here sin a. Okay, just observe that sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. This one we can write it as those two also having that same angles. That angle is a only, no? So that's why the same angle is there and that is in product. So we can write that a into b is equal to b into a also, no? A into b is equal to b into a. So in this way, we can write this one as sin a cos a plus sin a cos a. I changed it that second term. Sin a cos a. Sin a cos a plus sin a cos a. How many times the same term is there? 2 times there. So that's why here we can write it as 2 times of sin a cos a. So this is the formula for that sin 2a. Understand, ma? So here sin 2a formula, what is that? 2 sin a cos a. And we have that in terms of tan also. But later I will explain you that. Okay, first I will tell you related to sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, cot 2a. Okay, so next to say that the second proof is cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, children, just observe this one carefully. Cos 2a is equal to formula cos square minus cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, so here cos 2a is having how many formulas? 3 formulas in terms of sin and cos. In terms of sin and cos. So here how many formulas are there for that cos 2a? Totally 3 formulas are there. Children, any one of the formula you can apply in that question. Okay, related to that question, any one of the formula you can apply and you will get the same result. Okay, so let us see that the first proof. The first proof, cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, so cos 2a, just like that sin 2a, how we written? Like that only this one also, right? Cos of a plus a. Cos of a plus a. So, cos of a plus a, this is in the form of cos a of a plus b. So, cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, this is the formula, we know that, right? So, apply that formula here. Cos of a plus b formula. Cos a cos b. At the place of b also we are having here a only, no? So that's why write here a. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Again at the place of b we are having here a only, no? So that's why. So cos a into cos a minus sin a into sin a. So which is equals to cos a into cos a, which is equals to cos square a, minus sin a into sin a, which is equals to sin square a. Okay. So cos square A minus sin square A. Am I clear? So here we got that first formula, cos square A minus sin square A. We got it now, the first formula, sin square A, cos square A minus sin square A. So first formula proved. And come to that second one. Okay. So here to solve that second one, here I am taking this one, cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. So here we have that some identities. What are those? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay. So here this is related to sin and cos only, no? So that's why we chosen that identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So here I want to write that one as cos square theta is equals to, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Yes or no? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now here I want to substitute that one here. 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. Okay children, just I taken that in place of cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, at the place of theta here we have that A. Okay, so that's why. So 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. So here minus sin square A, here also minus sin square A. So that's why which is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 minus 2 sin square A. Am I clear? So here this is the second formula. Okay, that is that second formula what they given here, that is 1 minus 2 sin square A, which is equals to, actually this one equals to cos 2A. So that's why here cos 2A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So this is the second formula. Okay children, next third formula, what is that? 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay. So next see that, again to that 3 I am taking that cos square A minus sin square A. First formula, that one only I am taking. G equals to cos 2A formula, no? So here I am taking this one, cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. So here sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Previous I written that cos value, no? Now I want to write that sin value here. Okay. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So cos square A as it is you have to write, minus of, at the place of sin square only you have to write that. So 1 minus cos square A. Clear ma? So which is equals to cos square A minus into plus minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square A. So cos square A plus cos square A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So this is the third formula, 2 cos square A minus 1. 2 cos square A minus 1. So here how many formulas are there for cos 2A? Here we have that 3 formulas. The first formula is cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. That is the first formula. Okay. By using that first formula, we derived that the second formula. What is that? 1 minus 2 sin square A. Okay. Which is also equals to 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay children. So here in this video we discussed that sin 2A formulas as well as cos 2A formulas, and what is submultiple and what is multiple we discussed in this video. Okay. So in that next video again we will discuss about that tan 2A, cot 2A and related some formulas. Okay. Thank you all.